Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. If 5x square negative 5y square equals to 13 and x equals to y positive 7, what is the value of x positive y? Okay, here we have two equations. Using these two equations, we have to find the value of this expression x positive y. Okay, here let me consider the second equation over here, that is x equals to y positive 7. Let me subtract a y from both sides of this equation. Then this positive y, negative y will cancel out. I'm getting x negative y on the left side. On the right side, we have 7. Okay, now let me take the first equation over here. That is a 5x square negative 5y square equals to 13. Okay, here we find 5 and here we find 5. So both the terms contain a 5. So now what we can do is we can factor 5 out. If 5 is factored out, we get x square negative y square inside the parenthesis. On the right side, we can write this 13 as it is. Now let me consider an algebraic identity. There is a difference of two squares. That is a square negative b square. And the factored form of this a square negative b square is a positive b times a negative b. So whenever we have an expression in this form a square negative b square, it can be written in the factor form like a positive b times a negative b. Now let's consider this expression over here, x square negative y square. It's exactly in this form. So now what we can do is we can write this one in factor form like a positive b times a negative b. For that, we have to plug in x for a and y for b. Then we get 5 times x positive y times x negative y. So this is a factored form of this expression x square negative y square. On the right side, we can write this 13 as it is. Okay, here in this equation, we have the value for this x negative y. Already we got it, that is 7. So now what we can do is we can plug in 7 for this x negative y. Then we get 5 times x positive y times 7 equals to 13. Okay, here we can multiply this 5 and 7. 5 times 7 is 35. That is 35 times x positive y equals to 13. Okay, now let me divide both sides of this equation by 35. When I do so, the 35 over here and here will cancel out. I'm getting x positive y on the left side. On the right side, I'm getting 13 over 35. Okay, here I got the value of this expression x positive y. Its value is 13 over 35. We find this value 13 over 35 in answer choice D. The correct answer choice for this question is D.